Page 158. The subdominant chord is a lesson on the subdominant. We've had tonic and we've had dominant or dominant seventh. Now we get these subdominant. See, you have 7 notes in a scale, so you can have 7 chords. Each step of the scale is numbered and they also have names. So the first step, step 1 is the tonic, step 5 is the dominant, and step 4 is the subdominant. Just go down one from dominant. And so the chord built on that step is the subdominant chord. So in the key of C major, the subdominant chord is an F. Okay, now we like to stay in the same position, so a lot of times what we'll do in this one is we'll put the C on the bottom. So we're going from here to here. The top 2 notes just went up 1 in the scale. And I can go from 1 to 4 to 1, or tonic, subdominant, 1, 4, 1, real easy. All the keys work the same way. I'm in the hand position, I'm using the 2nd finger and the thumb goes up 1 in the key you're in. This here is all it is. These 3 chords we got, the 1, the 4, and the 5, 7, they're called the primary chords of a key. We're using them a lot, a whole lot. They're all major chords in a major key. That's amazing. They're all major chords in a major key. Okay. The other chords are not. See, there's 3 major chords in a major scale. 3 major chords, and that's the 1, the 4, and the 5. Right? The others are minor except for the 7th, and that's the black sheep of the family, and that is a diminished chord. That's what we're doing here. They got them written out for you and all kinds of things. You should do whatever key you're in. Here. So you got to stay within the key. In the key of A major, it has F sharps and G sharps too. So you stay whatever key you're in. And that's it, this chord progression. That's basically, I guess, what this unit is about, huh? The subdominant chord. You see it in the music above it. It's going to give you the name of the chord, whatever it is, and that will be the name in any key. So in the key of C major, that 4 chord is an F chord, so then put an F above the staff. Or below the staff, they'll give you the Roman numeral of it. In this case, it would be an IV for 4, Roman numeral 4, subdominant chord. The little numbers are the same. They work the same in all of them. We have the here, and if we go put here, well, you have a 4 and a 6. So it's this is a 6/4. That's what the little numbers are about. At the bottom of page 158, I keep jumping around. I do that. Yeah. Keep up. Here, it's that. That's basically what that is. A 6/4, 4/6/4. Here.